My alien students, welcome back. So let's start a new project. It's going to be a brush up class actually on 3D modeling. Okay, so first we're going to learn how. Today we're going to teach I'm going to teach you today how to draw a box and a cylinder. Okay, in this class, let's say. Okay, click box. Okay, he's going to ask you to specify center. Let's say, okay, if it's becoming confusion, make it like the normal 3D view, 2D view, isn't it? Okay, now what's the story? See, here you need to understand this is 0 0. Okay, the origin is 0 0. Okay, if we keep moving, isn't it? X moves, Y moves. Okay, let's suppose we want to create a box somewhere here. Let's say somewhere here. So what you're going to do is type 5, comma 5, okay, comma 0. Y 0, Z is 0. Okay, now we can keep moving like this, isn't it? This is what? Length, and that is width. So how much is length? Let's say 10. Okay, or I give you another method. Okay, we could have pressed like add from the starting point. Okay, how much? Let's say 10. Width is 5. Any comments? Okay, how much height do you need? See, he's trying to show it, isn't he? He's trying to show you, because of the shadow you can see the, let's say 5. Okay, if it's not clear, select the box. Length 10, always X is length, Y is 5, height is 5. Any comments? If you like to rotate it. Okay, this is clear, no? Another method is, see, what you need to understand in this method is it's starting from the point which you selected, 5 comma 5, isn't it? You get the picture? Okay. Okay, is this clear? Okay. Another method is box. Okay, instead of starting from, let's say, from the center, not center, we want the box to be exactly from, let's say, half here, like this, not like this. Okay, for that you need to press C, enter, center. Where you want the center to be? 0 comma 0 comma 0. Perfect. Okay, then what you can set? The total length. Specify the length of the box. How much you need? Let's say 10. Width, how much you need? 5. Okay, in this problem, what's the problem here? You see is that it's rotating. Okay, height also 5. Any comments? Okay, so what we can do is, no, he's not unable to rotate it. Okay, we'll teach you when we learn rotating modification commands. We'll teach you how to rotate a 3D object. Okay. Okay, this is clear. Okay, now what we'll learn is now cylinder. Where you want the center to be? Let's say 0 comma 0. Okay, what's the radius of the cylinder? Let's say 3 units. Let's say 5 units. What's the height of the cylinder? Let's say 20 units. Okay, you will not be able to see it. If you take an, I hope it's clear now. Okay. Okay, another question can come is, John, it's not always that the cylinder would be straight. We want it to be maybe on the y-axis. Okay, in that case, draw a cylinder. Okay, beautiful. Specify from where do you want to start? Center 0 comma 0 comma 0. We need it to be, let's say, make a smaller one, 1.5. Okay, but this is not the story. We want it to be in the other side, isn't it? So you put type A. Okay, then so you can rotate the whatever. Okay, So what you're going to do is you're going to press ortho. Ortho is F8, isn't it? It can be either this way, this way, this way, this way. Okay, so let's say our question was like this. Okay, then you're going to type the height, let's say 10. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. This is actually like kind of a brush up class on AutoCAD 3D. Okay, we see each other in the next class. Yalla.